WCDI First Alert AccuWeather forecast on CW4 with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Great to see you this evening. Some wet weather today. We're going to actually boost temperatures back into the 80s tomorrow. Look at this, mid to maybe upper 80s. I'm going to go with about 87 in Columbus. A chance for a few storms during the day here. Winds from the south and southwest at about 5 to 15. But we will wake up to extensive cloud cover, a bit gloomy. But as we get into the course of our Wednesday afternoon, we'll be quite warm relative to today. And then we will be tumbling down later this week. Let me show you that with our first alert forecast for tonight. Here's Kovu the cat. A chance of storms tomorrow, as I mentioned, very mild. Thursday, we'll start to clear things out. Temperatures will be cooler, low 70s, and then much cooler on Friday. Temperatures in the middle 60s here. So the rain we've had today now beginning to move off to the east over there northeast of Fayette, Alabama, and continuing to move away. This is how it looked in Vernon, Alabama today at Durham's Pharmacy this afternoon. Going into the evening, cloud cover, some lingering showers, a gloomy day. We talked about it. We had a chance for some rain today, and we really got it. Temperatures in our neck of the woods in the 60s. This is where we will stay, 64 in Columbus. That's about it for the rest of tonight. Notice how mild it is just about everywhere here across the deep south, and the humidity has come on back. You know it. We've got dew points in the 60s, the low 70s. The air is very tropical, and that will help fuel more storms over the next 24 to 36 hours. So 7 o'clock in the morning, temperatures in the 60s. We're overcast by midday. I think we'll start to break up some of those clouds. Can't rule out a shower or storm by midday going into the afternoon, but it's going to be pretty spotty, I think. Anything that does flare tomorrow afternoon could be locally strong. We'll watch it, of course, but no widespread activity expected during the daylight hours tomorrow. Notice how warm those temperatures are going to be, widespread 80s. Now, tomorrow evening, we get into a bit of a gap here, so pretty quiet. After sunset, temperatures still very mild. After midnight, we're going to be watching for a big batch of storms in Tennessee, perhaps. It will slip on into North Mississippi, Northwest Alabama. This will be after midnight, probably after 1 o'clock in the morning. And the question is, how far back will this line develop? You don't see a lot here, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, but it's possible we may see a weakening line of storms with some gusty wind here tomorrow night, and then we'll clear things out as we get into our day Thursday. So the severe weather potential tomorrow night, really wind and hail if we're going to see any severe weather, but of course we'll watch it here. Much cooler by Friday. Saturday's looking okay, some late day showers, but we may see some rain and storms again on Sunday, your Easter Sunday. We'll follow that later this week as well. More after the break.